Today we will install Y-Delivery app and its UI extensions. Start by typing Buy Online Pickup Anywhere in the top navigation bar. Click App icon in the search results. Hit Install. Confirm installation by clicking Install button in this window. You want to create a new account for your Shopify store. Fill in the registration details. In Ship From address, you need to specify your primary warehouse location. This will be used in the shipping rates calculation. Click Sign Up button at the bottom. Turn on Enable UI Extensions checkbox and hit Save. Navigate to Shopify settings in the top bottom corner. Then, Checkout. Click Customize on your live checkout configuration. If you are using 3-page checkout, you need to select Shipping page in the top navigation bar of Checkout Editor. Add 3 app blocks by Y-Delivery to your page, marking each of them to be visible in ShopPay. Now let's navigate to Thank You page editor. Add an app block here. Use Gizmo in the app icon to move it below Order Status block. Navigate to Order Status page editor and do the same steps here. Finally, hit Save button in the top right corner. And we are done. Now you can check your website and see how it looks.